Okay, if you had 16 things, this would be 13 of those things. One pin. I guess the gloves just aren't gonna work. I have to get something to clean up this stuff. Now this is a pretty large pin. I would almost have to say it's more like a shaft. Okay, after close inspection of this, there's nothing wrong with it. Rubber seals, everything, it's all still okay. So this one can go back together, and it's the other one that I know for a fact something is wrong with. But that's one good thing. And if this one is good, chances are this one here, it looks good as well. Just put a little bit of slippery stuff on here. Now, it's this other one that's just too heavy for me to deal with, I think. Okay, that's about 1,000,000 foot-pounds, knowing my strength. Oh. This sandy shop floor is lame. I don't know if everybody else has something like this that they have to deal with, or anybody else, but really would be nice to have like a nice heated, air-conditioned shop. Okay. I don't know where the grease nipple is for this one. Aha! Right where it should be, in the end of the shaft. Now, if I can come up with a way to do this one, I would really like to do it. If I can figure out how to do it by myself. 10 years ago, it wouldn't have been such a problem. Oh, different size. What is that? That's 13. That's like 12/16, 7/8. We don't know. Okay, this one is 12/16, or 3/4, 3/4. However, it spins around in circles, and the shaft on the other side just spins. So, not sure of the easiest way to do this. Either maybe put a spot weld on the spot weld right here to hold it so that the bolt might loosen. That seems like a lot of work though. Gonna have to ponder that one for a while, I reckon. Okay, if you just watch, this whole thing spins. You see that? Spinning, yeah. Looks like somebody in the past has actually just welded this big washer onto the shaft, it looks like. Maybe because they were fitting this John Deere thumb on here, but Hitachi is a Deere anyways, so you would think it would just go on normally, but it looks like they did something maybe a little hokey. I'm not sure yet. Apart from just welding this onto here just to get the bolt out and then cutting the weld off, that's the only way I can see of getting this off, but I don't have a welder here right now, so guess I'll just put some grease in it and call it a day for now. Oh, Benjamin, you look so sad. Well, I would be sad too if I was grounded. But you're gonna have to learn how to stay home. You know what it means. Don't look at me like that. You know that staying home is what Ben has to do. And then you get belly rubs. Mr. Suckhole. Yes, he has a tendency to want to take off down the road and visit the other neighborhood dogs. But you just can't be doing that. He'll get shot by a farmer. Well, thanks again for watching. I got one pin all taken care of and I took it apart and I know it's all good. And I'm pretty sure that one. So there's 3 out of 4 that I was worried about are good. That 4th one is probably going to be my downfall if I don't fix it. I'll end up in the bushes and it'll break. But then again, if it happens, it happens. Not a big deal. Everything can be fixed. The rest of the pins on the machine, they all seem to be pretty good and tight. The next ones I do worry about sometimes are the main pins for this, because there's a lot of strain on that section there. So it looks like the next, well, probably really shortly, I'm going to have some videos of, we're going to take a quick trip up to our place in the sticks. It's been surrounded by fire and now the fires are subsided, so probably like a week from now we'll be filming up there in the cold. It's only like 300 miles away, but it's been getting below freezing up there. So yeah, a little bit of fishing. We'll be getting stuff ready for bringing this thing up there. We still have a lot of road building, a lot of work to do with this thing up there, so should be some good content coming up. Thanks for watching.